I'm Jen, and welcome to my studio. And today we're going to be doing it's kind of like all levels, I would say. This is an all levels technique exercise. You can do it as a beginner, in an intermediate, or advanced. There's lots of things you can add to it or take away from it in order for it to fit any of those levels, but the biggest thing is tempo. But it's going to be a shuffles en croix exercise. So we're doing it's a whole pattern, and we're doing front, cross, side, back, all the way around, all kinds of stuff. So the main challenge is keeping the pattern. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Also, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, do the thing. So we have 4 shuffles to the front to start off. So a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and that's going to be the pattern. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. So the downbeat of the measure is on the return trip of the shuffle. It's on the back brush of the shuffle. A 1, a 2. So you have that first one, the down part of the shuffle happening on the instead of the 1, okay? So 4 to the front, it'll go 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. From there, you have cross front, cross back to neutral, cross front, cross back to neutral. Basically what I mean is you're going brush, cross, and back, brush, cross, and back. So you have 2 of those. So you're brushing forward, crossing over the standing foot, brushing forward back to that neutral position, and then back to where you started. So it's a nice crossed front shuffle. I'm trying to see myself in the viewfinder, so if my face went like, that's what happened. So, anyway, you have a front, a 2, a 3, a 4, and cross and back, and cross and back. I hesitate to say cross and back because back means like back here for me, but hopefully you know what I mean. So let's try that. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and cross, and cross. Good. One more time just to make sure we got it. Well, a little bit slower. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. The biggest thing about this exercise, in my opinion, is that you really, really need to have a stable standing leg because you're not going to be able to put this foot down for a while. So make sure that you are stable and grounded on that standing leg and that your arms are helping with your balance because it's going to be a while till you're going to get to put this right leg down. So that's the front part. Then the side part you just did. You're ready to do 4 shuffles to the side. So you have 4 to the side, nice and easy. All you do is turn out your leg and then still go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then the pattern goes front, side, front, side. So let's try that. 4 to the side and then front, side, front, side. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's try adding that to the beginning. So you have the 4 to the front, 2 crossing, or technically 4 shuffles total, but there's 2 crosses. And then 4 to the side, front, side, front, side. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross, cross, side, 2, 3, 4, front, side, front, side. Good. From there, you have 4 to the back. So all you're going to do is take that side shuffle, bend the standing leg. So you have that side shuffle. And all you're doing is bending the standing leg so it naturally goes back. Then, just like the other pattern, it goes back to where you were, and then to where you are, to where you were, to where you are. So now we're going side, back, side, back. So you add 4 to the back, side, back, side, back. And you'll see I'm changing levels a little bit on the back. I'm like up here for side, and then I bend for back. Okay, so let's try adding that on. We have the 4 to the front, and then the cross, 4 to the side, front side, 4 to the back, side, back. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross, side, 2, 3, 4, side, back, 2, 3, 4, side, back. I'm always terrified that I'm gonna miss the floor, but I never do. Except that one time I did a pullback and fell right off my floor. It happened in this studio. I don't remember what video it is, but like, it's on there somewhere. I left it in because it was funny. So, last part. So now we have the front, side, and then back. The last part gets you back all the way to the front and ready to go on the next side. This naturally switches sides, which I love exercises that do that because then students can't complain before I say, okay, now let's try it on the left. It just naturally goes to the left. So you just did back, 2, 3, 4, side, back, back. Now we're gonna go back to the side. Then you go all the way around from the back, side, front, and then step. Once you step, it is grounded and ready to go because right away you're gonna pick up and start going on the left. So that last part was 4 to the side, then back, side, and I'm doing a full foot step because I don't have a bar to hold on to, and I'm not out to make anybody like balance the whole time here, although this is a very, very good thing to do. If you can do this whole exercise balancing in this pop position, do it. Like, as you can see, I've done a lot of practice in this pop position. I don't know that on camera I could do it. I think I would be too nervous. But if you can do the whole thing in this popped position or in like a 4-starch, yeah, maybe try that. But for the purposes of not falling over, let's be flat-footed. All right, so the whole thing goes front, 2, 3, 4, cross front and back, cross front and back. Now side, 2, 3, 4, front, side, back, 2, 3, 4, side, back, side, 2, 3, 4, back, side, front, step. Can we try it? Okay, let me wake up my computer. I do talk about that in a house tour or the studio tour. I talk about my computer that falls asleep. We just filmed it last night, so it's fresh in my head. All right, let's try the whole thing. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. And front, 2, 3, 4, cross, side, 2, 3, 4, front, side, and back, 2, 3, 4, side, back, 2, 3, 4, back, side. Good, and then we would go on the left. So let's go ahead and try the left. The pattern stays the same, we are just using the other foot. So let's try it. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's the whole exercise. Can we try it with music? Going naturally right into the left side. Why not? Let's do it. All right, so I'll have the song information down below, like I always do. So if you like this song, I know a lot of you love the songs that I've picked for these exercises in particular. I find them on Audio Library on YouTube, but I always put the song information and the link to the video for the song in the description below. So, all right, let's do it. It's on the faster side. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Exercise. I love shuffle exercises in the center. I know I have some of my adult students that absolutely love it. Like, one of them kind of gets mad at me if I don't do one, which is great. I love that. She's like, can we do something center? Can we do shuffle center? And I'm like, right, I forgot. Yes, we can. I absolutely love shuffle exercises, and especially because it helps you not only work on that balance of your standing leg, but it also helps you work on loosening up your working leg. Shuffles have to be loose. like controlled loose, but loose. And I've said this in a lot of my shuffle videos before, but a lot of the work happens here for a shuffle, not here. A lot of it is here. It's that down, up of the leg. So really, really think about using these muscles to get the shuffles done and relaxing your ankle a little bit. Relaxing like your foot and your ankle, because most of the work is here. You do have to be engaged in your foot and your ankle, but don't tense it up. It's not ballet. We're not doing like frappes, and the minute that it comes out, like it has to be like pointed. Relax, just relax. So yeah, I hope you really enjoyed this exercise. I enjoyed teaching it to you, and if you take this to your students in your classes, I hope that your students enjoy it. I hope that you enjoyed it. So yeah, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We've got technique exercises like this of all levels. We've got choreography tutorials where you can learn to dance to a song, and we've got step tutorials where you can just learn one step. I know I have one, I think I have one on shuffles, or shuffles are part of like the basic 4 sets of like know these steps in order to tap dance. I have a video on that, or 4 sets. I have a set of 4 videos on that. I can speak today, I promise. So yeah, please subscribe to the channel so that you can have access to all these free tap dance resources. They are all for you. They're so that you can learn to tap, so that you can perfect your tapping, so that you can just tap anytime you want with new material. I put out new videos every single week. And I've started doing a lot more YouTube shorts as well. So in between my big videos, you're gonna get mini exercises. So definitely subscribe to this channel, because I put a lot of work into it, and I do it all for you because I absolutely love dancing with you. So subscribe, but also hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this, and also because it helps the algorithm, which helps tap dance in general on YouTube, and that's always a good thing. So subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and as always, thank you for dancing with me.